Hi, my name is Chloe. I'm a rising freshman going to Monte Vista High School, and my project is the knock detecting lock. So right now it's a box. So here it is. That detects a sequence of knocks and checks the timing against the correct recorded sequence to say whether or not it opens up the lock. I picked this project because I already had some experience in Arduino and coding, so I thought it was a good intersection of both of them. So my camera's kind of bad, so I'm just gonna share my screen for a video. So this is the recording. There's like a programming button, so you can record the correct sequence. And then I installed like an LED system so that it blinks it back. And then, so if I input the same code, then the lock opens. But if I do it incorrectly, then it displays it as incorrect. So some challenges that I faced during this project is like for the coding part, I left out little bits of code. So like for the delay, for waiting until the knock had kind of finished, for that function, I left out little bits of code. And so I learned that I need to just block it out in the beginning, and that way I waste less time having to go back and recheck everything. My favorite part of this project was probably the circuit building, since I do enjoy like mechanical engineering and robotics. So yeah, any questions?
I have a question. How did you store like the correct knocking sequence every time someone records it?
So it records the same, so it triggers the same function as just normally, but then when it checks the knocks, if the program button was pressed, then it stores all the times, so the number of milliseconds since the program had started, and then saves that into the correct array, and then just goes back into the main loop.
I also have a question. What do you actually use to unlock or relock it? Like, what are you using to do that?
So right, I just bought like a lock from Home Depot, and then right now I'm using a servo motor, so it can go like a specific angle to open and close it.
Awesome.